Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change cleaning modes on a Tineco Floor One Vacuum. And this will be an easy and simplistic tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, this is my Tineco Floor One Vacuum. And it is a vacuum with a wet feature, so it's like a vacuum and a mop sort of together, if you can imagine that. Now there are different cleaning modes that you can use and utilize on this vacuum. And I'll show you exactly how to do it. So first and foremost, let's take a look at the handle. I'm just going to bring the camera up. This is the handle over here. And as you can see with the handle, you have two buttons over here, okay? You have a power button, and this button over here with all these dots is the cleaning modes button. So this is the button that you're going to use to change the cleaning modes, okay? Now you can go between different cleaning modes, depending on your model, you're going to have access to different cleaning modes, okay? On this one there is, I believe, an auto mode and a max mode, if I remember correctly. But I think on some other ones there's also something called the suction mode. But you're going to use this button to cycle between the modes. You're going to turn the unit on, and then you're going to cycle between the modes by pressing this button. Really, really easy to do, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So let me just get it into position over here. We're just going to, so you can sort of see the handle over here and the screen of what I'm seeing. Let's bring the camera back down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on. That's better. I'm going to turn it on, and then I'll use this button to change the modes, and you can see the modes being changed, and you can also hear the modes being changed. Okay, the cleaning modes. So let's turn it on. Okay, it's on auto mode now. And I'm going to press this to change it. It went to max mode now. Press this button again. Back to auto mode. Back to max mode. Auto. Max. Okay? And so on and so forth. And now we're turning it off. It is literally that simple. And like I said, there are other models, I believe, that have also a suction mode. But this one has auto and max mode. Those are the cleaning modes, and that's how to change between the cleaning modes on this vacuum. It's literally that simple. I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point, so hopefully you enjoyed it. And that is truly it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.